In this video, we are going to see how we can disable the guest mode in Microsoft Edge. So this is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So if you feel that whenever you open your Edge browser and it opens up in the guest mode, that means you are unable to sign in with any particular Gmail ID. Here's a quick fix for you. Just close the Microsoft Edge browser and head over to the start menu and right here, regedit. This is registry editor, click yes. And I always recommend you that before you make any change, it's always recommended to click on the file menu and click on export to export the backup of the registry editor. So whenever something goes wrong, you can always import the previously taken backup. So everything should be restored. And you can keep any file name that is a reminder of what change you make. So before making X change, I took the backup. You can name the file like something like that. And after that, when something goes wrong, you can click on import to get that backup. Anyways, so what we do is we click on HKey local machine and search for the software folder. Here it is. Expand that, check for policies. Here's policies. Click on that. There should be Microsoft folder. Click on that. And there we have Microsoft Edge. And once you click on that, you right click on here, right click and select new, select the word 32-bit value, and we will simply write here browser guest mode enabled. Make sure the spellings are correct and it should be written in exactly the same way like I did. Hit enter and it will open up this window, and it should be kept with 0 value. If you double click, that means it is enabled. You just close out of here and relaunch your browser, and that should work for you. And whenever you want to delete that, you will come to the same reference and right click and hit delete, and you should be good to go. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.